how to offer discounts and coupons in Squarespace. To do that, head over here to your products and services, and from there you can see this discounts option. Now for this one, let's click onto this add discount, and you can choose a discount type. It can be percent off, amount off, by accept by free shipping or local delivery. For example, let me just choose in here this percent off, and then let's name it. So for example, let's name this 10 off, and then put in here the discount code, or it can be automatic discount as well. For this one, I'll just generate the discount code, or you can also put in here a discount code that you want. For example, right here, let's put in here 10 off, and it will be a discount code for this one. So you can choose in here the percent off. I chosen 10%, and it can apply to any order or specific order, single products, content and membership, or products by category. Now you can choose in here the rules and limitations. So for example, right here, let's choose this limit total number of orders. So let's choose in here around 3 uses. And then from there, you can put in here the start time as well as the expiration of this coupon and click onto the save option. So that's how you offer discounts and coupons in Squarespace. Hope we helped.